Hey guys, we're back on our way. We're going back on our way. Yes, Cesar said that. Do I have more? Yes, I got more sewers.
Pennywise is in there.
Pennywise, where you at?
Pennywise, eat this.
Suck at it.
Oh, I made it in.
It's been a long time to as you in my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Pennywise is gonna cry because of that.
Yeah, watch when Pennywise gets that, guys. He's gonna like, and then he's gonna pop out in the middle of the night, and then everyone's gonna be like, "Oh my God, is that Pennywise? I swear, what's wrong with my hair? Sorry. Sorry.
He's gonna be scared of that thing.
Yeah, from now on, when we throw those candies again, he's gonna be collecting those, and he's gonna collect that top.
Yeah.
And whenever we throw those, or whoever throws those in the sewers, he's be like, "Nuh-uh, I ain't eating that candy again. Nuh-uh, that thing gonna make me die." But if we give him the lemon one, then yeah, he's dead.
Yeah.
He hates lemon. So yeah,
Lemon's the worst.
well, to me, lemon's good because I love lemon. Even if I do faces, I don't care. Okay.
I'm waiting right here.
Yeah.
I'm waiting right here.
My friend's gonna hold the video player. I'm gonna go get some more.
I won't
Okay.
hold it. Will I hold it? Okay, we do something. Record something. Okay. Try to do something cool. Like get on your bike and do something cool. I can't do nothing today. Like she was just trying to do. Bro. She's just pressing that thing like nothing. She's just pressing. She's going crazy with that thing.
Okay, guys.
Look how much stuff he has.
So we're gonna do these two. Look, I'm gonna put them on the floor. I'm gonna put them on the floor. No. These are the ones. All right.
Okay.
All right.
Open it.
Okay.
Which one do I open first?
This one we're gonna do tomorrow.
This one.
We're gonna do today. Okay. There's a lot in there. Okay.
It's too cute.
Oh shoot, guys. Dun dun dun.
This is gonna be hard.
Let me see.
Or maybe it's gonna.
And guys, look, they're already open. It's already open.
Oh, who opened him? I wanna get the blue raspberry.
All right, guys. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Not even spicy.
And not spicy?
Okay.
It's a little bit.
Which one?
But let me try the orange. I think that one's the green apple or the orange.
I got the orange one.
Really? Is it spicy?
No?
Then I'm gonna try the green apple.
You try it.
I want one that's spicy.
I'm gonna have to ask these people whoever made this. I'm gonna have to tell them to put them sour because they're just like.
No, they're just like normal candy.
Yeah, normal. Everyone in my class is saying that the sour candies, the chewy cubes, are starting to get normal now. One of them said that they told them if they could put these sour, but they didn't. They're so dumb, the people that made it.
I know. That's why it's called Sour Patch. And Warmhead. It's supposed to be like. It's supposed to be. It's supposed to be like
Sour.
sour. I know.
It's not supposed to be normal. So we're back on the way.
When you were here, she was going crazy with the bike. She was going like, with that honking thingy, she was like really crazy.
Okay, so sorry, this is the only one. It's just normal. Yeah. Just try it.
Like, it's just normal.
Yeah.
The green apple.
What'd she say? Oh yeah, there has to be the green one. So yeah, we're gonna try all of them. I already tried the green one, so
The green one is like a little bit spicy, but not that much.
all right, guys. Let me put the phone I'm on the ground, okay? You guys can see it? Yeah, it feels even better. No, it looks even better. It looks even better on the floor. Cause look, no one's even holding it. We could just put our heads in. Okay. So we're gonna take out.
Oh, here, put them in here.
Put them in here. Where are those? Okay.
Look at all the.
Okay, put it back on the floor. Okay.
Now you're seeing where the cover is.
Okay. Y'all guys can see me? Yeah, y'all
Okay,
can
get
see
one
me.
of each color.
Okay. So we got red, green,
blue,
orange,
blue,
purple. Oh no, that's not purple. Purple, pink.
I got green. How many colors is there? There should be 6. 1, 2, 3. I only have 5. Which one am I missing? The strawberry? No.
Strawberry is a I have. You do have the.
I don't have the watermelon. Which one is the watermelon? I don't get this.
Oh wait, I think the watermelon is the pink one.
I think they're out.
There has to be new ones. They just.
I have this one.
So that's the last one.
I have all of them.
Can we do something else?
I have all of them. Can we do something else next?
Okay, guys. So we got.
Can we do something else next?
Okay, guys. I'm about to put all of this.
I'm gonna put
5. And 5.
I'm gonna put 6 in my mouth.
Okay. We're about to do it in 5,
5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
I hold it. No, you didn't your hand dirty on the phone. So I hold it.
You're gonna get your hands dirty now.
Why not?
Bruh, you're holding it. Mine is cold.
Okay.
Can we do something else?
Yeah, we're about to do something else.
Can we just play like something
Yeah.
with no food?
We're about to play a game.
I not like the
Fire
one.
Magic Clown.
You have the one.
Bye, guys. We're gonna make another video. Please check it out. Stay on YouTube, please.
And
you said that.